In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to get the NFL Sunday ticket without actually having YouTube TV. Make sure to watch this video until the very end to prevent any mistakes in the process. So you may not want to actually pay for YouTube TV and just want to watch NFL Sunday Ticket. You may not use YouTube TV, so this is an option for you. All you have to do is search up NFL Sunday Ticket and click on this one that's YouTube TV. Now, you can click on Explore Plans and it's going to bring you down to this. As you can see, there are 4 different options. You can either do these 2 options, which includes YouTube TV, or you can do either of these options where it does not include YouTube TV. The only downside is that it is unfortunately more expensive to use these options without YouTube TV, but if you predict that you're only going to use YouTube TV for the NFL Sunday Ticket, then these are the options for you. All you're going to do is click on Get It Now and go through the process, but that's all there is to it. Be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. See you in the next video.